Hello viewers, Joe's HVAC Piano Fishing and Rail Fan. Today we're bringing you episode 3 of the satisfying Franken fan up here on the Sunbury today. As I said before, episode 3 was going to be on the Sunbury and episode 4 is going to be on my way home. So here's the Franken fan in action. Very powerful fan, does a really good job. We already broke over the 1200 RPM mark, so that's pretty good. We're almost at 1800 for a minute. Yep, 1800 right there. It's pretty good. Wind gusts are really good up here on the mountain today. Probably because I'm right near an upward slope. Yep, Franken fan is doing super well. Yep, we're at the Sunbury, like I said before. All right, we're over 600, 900, 1,000, 1,200. Whoa! Damn! Holy moly, guys. I don't know if you saw that. That was a good gust. That was about 2,900 RPM there. That's our peak right now, 2,900 max RPM from a wind gust. Wow, that's even better than the first one. Wow, that was impressive. The thing about being up here on an uphill slope like this. Damn, I think that's gonna be the highlight right there. We probably get the most replays. Wow. Guys, 2,900 RPM. How about that? For a peak wind gust for the Franken fan's top RPM. Okay, it's already splattering some oil, so probably gonna have to clean the fan again. Oh, we gonna get another good one? Maybe. Yep, we're over 900. Yep, over 12. How cool is that? Yep. Yeah, I think we might get a couple pretty decent gusts. Yeah, wind's pushing pretty hard at the fans. Definitely got it moving there, that's for sure. Yep. See if we're gonna get another good one. Maybe. Yep, over 1200. Let's see if we're gonna get another good one. Yep. Try to get one more good one for you. Alright, we're going to go ahead and bring you guys out a little bit here. And we're going to go ahead and stop this fan. Yep, there we go. Hope you enjoyed that. That was episode 3 of the Satisfying Franken fan up here on the Sunbury on the Nicholson Cutoff. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions, and I will try to answer them.